Okay, we're back with turn 6. Let me just make sure the capture is working. Okay, looks fine. Okay, um, so we're turn 6 for the Axis. And just as a reminder, they need to get 8 buildings east of row K. So they're kind of in tough, tough straits, really. Um, okay, rallies. So this Franson guy has been broken the whole frickin' game. Let's try and rally him. Self-rally. Okay, finally, he's back. Then he's going to try and rally his... Oops, what did I just do? Oh, is he back? I don't think he came back last turn. Okay, but anyways, he's back. And going to rally his guy. Needs 10. Oh my god. Seriously? Okay. This guy's gonna attempt a self-rally of this guy. Needs a 9. Okay, so he's back. Um, Over here, Bruckner's going to attempt to rally his guy. Okay, he's back. Um, okay, and then over here, this commissar is going to rally that squad. He didn't get it. And so I think that means he takes a casualty ELR. So what is he? He's a 327. So a 327 becomes... Why doesn't it show heat of battle? Okay. Half squad, 328. Becomes a 248. And he is not... Okay. I think that's right. I'm a little confused why the 328 doesn't have a way to degrade it from the menu. Okay, anyways, let's keep it going. Prep fire. Okay, so I need to be on the move. I guess I'll start with these guys. They're going to shoot a 6 up 1 adjacent. Okay. That's not going to get it done. Okay, so they're prep fired. Um, okay, let's see. Do I have any other prep fire? Um, I think I really just got to move. Okay, I'll do the simple things first. Um, assault move there for 1. Assault move for 1. I think I can throw a DC in defensive fire. Pretty sure that's allowed. So I'm gonna keep this guy. This guy here, he's gonna try and throw that in defensive fire. Um, okay, he's gonna go there for 2. This Berserky is gonna take a shot at him. It's gonna be a 4. So +1 hindrance, non-assault movement. Oh, Jesus. Charlie. Fuck. Hang on, guys. I just had a spill. Dog just knocked everything over. Okay, had a little excitement. My dog Charlie got tangled in this cord. It knocked over my microphone and sent water all over my desk. So sorry about that. Let's get back to this. So where was I? So this guy had moved 1, and this guy's going to fire at him. It's going to be a 4 even. 8 on a 4 is what? A PTC? No, that's a miss. 8 on a 4 is a miss. Okay, so he's first fired. 1 residual. Okay, so he's there for 1. He'll go there for 2. When he gets there, this guy's going to unload on him with his inherent firepower. So that's going to be a 12 down 1. -1 for non-assault movement, not moving in the open because it's an orchard. 12 down 1. 8 on a 12 is a 1 check. Okay, so he breaks. This guy is first fired, but just IFP. And that's going to be 6 residual. All right. So then this guy's going to go over the wall for 2. It's going to go there for 3. Late CX for 5. Okay, he's going to fire his LMG, so that's going to be a 4 flat. Ooh. 3 on a 4 is a 2 check. So he's pinned. Okay. And that leaves that leaves 4 residual. Sorry, 2 residual. This guy's going to CX. One. This guy's going to subsequent for a 2 down 2. Oh man. 2 on a 2 is a K1. Okay, let's... Come on, little buddy. How come it's not scrolling up? Okay. CVP goes by 1. He needs to take a MC. He breaks. That was a 1 MC. Okay, and then this guy's going to go here for 2. Three. Late CX for 5. This guy would have been DM'd earlier. Okay, so he's going to take 2. So non-assault movement -1. +1 for the woods. 2 flat. Seven on the 2 is a miss. This guy's going to subsequent with his inherent. So that's going to be a 6 flat. 6 on a 6. 1 check. Passes, but sniper. No sniper. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. What else do we have? He's going to assault move there for 2. Katakov will do a 6. 6 down 1 adjacent. Nothing. First fired. Katakov. 1 residual. He's going to assault move there for 1. He's going to subsequent. So that's going to be a 2 down 2. -1 for the leader, -1 for moving in the open. 2 down 2. 5 on a 2 is a normal. He breaks. Okay, that would be a 1 residual. Okay. Then this guy's going to CX. There for 1. There for 2. Sorry, 2, 3. There for 4. There for 5. Okay, this guy back here. We've got some firepower there. Okay, he's going to assault move there for 2. No, sorry, regular move for 2. Oh, this guy's finaled. Then there for 4. These guys up here are going to CX. 1, 2, bypass 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, they're going to go there for where do they start? Here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Bruckner is going to CX. There for 2, 3, bypass 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then okay. Can an MMC throw a DC in defensive fire? I think the answer is yes. Pretty sure it's yes. Okay, so he's going to start by, where's he going to throw his DC? I guess at Bronson. Okay, so that's going to be a plus +2, 30 +2. Okay, I don't think he cowers. So an 8 on a 30 is the 3 check. Okay, so leader. Wow. So that's a 12, 13, 14. So he ELRs. He breaks. And then a 3 check for the 248. He breaks. And then a 30 +3 for the hero. Oh, 12 on it. It's probably not too bad. 12 on a 30 is a 1 check. He's fine. Hero of the Soviet Union. All right. Okay, so he's final fired. These guys, that's all that I have. Okay, advancing fire. Um, this guy's going to take a shot. 4 up 3, +2 for the building, +1 for CX. Okay. I should have fired this guy too. I guess he'll fire adjacent. That's going to be a 2 up 3. That's not worth it. Forget it. Okay, so he's advance fired. He's broken. He's broken. These guys will fire group for a 2, 6. 6 up 2 adjacent. So these two guys. 6 up 2. Cowers. So a 4 on a 4 is a 1 check. I can get rid of the defensive fire. I can get rid of the residual. Okay, 1 check on the leader. Katukov. He passes. Squad, half squad. Passes. Okay. Oh, you know, I forgot to move Schmidt up. He'll move up. Um, hmm. Okay, this guy could do a 1 up 2, 3. No. What about him? No. Okay, route phase. Germans first. He's going to route there for 2. This guy's going to route here for 2. These guys, let's see, they're not I don't think they'd be getting closer to him if they routed back there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay, so they're going to route. This guy's not DM'd. This guy is DM'd. So they're going to route there. This guy, he can't go back because he's looking at the berserker. And so he's gonna die for failure to route. Um, get rid of the preps. Okay. Okay, so this guy here, Commissar is going to voluntarily break, and then they're going to go there for 2, 5. Um, okay, that's it for routes, advances. Okay, so down here, what am I going to do with this guy? I mean, I think he's going to advance in here. Um, he's going to advance in there. He's going to advance in there. He'll advance in there. So what is that? That's, come on. Okay, so that's 7 against 3. It's 2 to 1. If he goes in here, that'll be, no. 7 against 4. That's 3 to 2. 10 against 4. That's 2 to 1. Okay. Close combat. Um, he'll advance in there. Oh, this guy loses his concealment. I don't know what I'm doing there. This guy would have lost his concealment too. Getting sloppy there. He's going to advance there. He's going to advance there. He's going to advance there as well. Okay. Things are actually looking up for the Germans. I think they have a shot at it. Okay. Close combat. They're both -1 on the ambush. -1 for the leader from the Russians and -1 for the hero on the German side. Okay, so Germans, Russians. Okay, so Russians get an ambush, which means they can withdraw. And so they're going to oh, man, that was a mistake to not leave a guy back. I didn't think about that. They're going to withdraw to here. And then this becomes German controlled. Oh, and Schmidt, I didn't advance him. I meant to advance him, so he advances there. All right, that's the end of Axis turn 6. Let's go to Allied turn 6. Let me just pause it for a second. I'll be right back. Okay, starting Russian turn 6. Weather. No weather. Rally phase. All right. Okay. Commissar's gonna rally himself. Needs a 6. Doesn't get it. Over on the German side. Lose the DM. Lose the DM. These guys. Okay, so Franzen, he's now a 6+1. He's going to try and self rally. Needs a 2. Nope. Oh, you know what? I forgot to do the close combat over here. Fuck. Let me do that. Jeez, sloppy. Okay. Ambush +1 for the German, -1 for the Russian. Okay. German, Russian. So it's a 3 versus 5. No ambush. So it's going to be 4-1 +1 and 1-4 -1. Okay, first the German. Okay, so he got him. Coming back at 1-4 -1. Nope. Okay. And then he gets this. Okay. Prep fire. These guys will do a 6-up-1 adjacent. Seven on a 6. It's a normal. Okay, let's go hero at the top. He passes 2-4-8. Pin 4-6-8. Passes with a sniper. Okay, so he's pinned. Put him on the bottom. Okay, and then a sniper. Big sniper. 1-for-1. So it's going to come back and break this guy. So he's going to be... Oh, wait. He was a half squad already. What am I doing? Okay, so CVP goes up by another 1. Okay, so he's prepped. That pin goes away. He's going to fire on this guy. Or should he fire adjacent? He should probably fire adjacent. He's going to do... $12 up 1 adjacent, just with it as inherent. 8 on a 12 is probably a 1 check. Yep. He's fine. Okay. And then he's going to shoot 2 up 2 over here with the MG. 7 on a 2 is a miss. So the thing is the Russians are gonna lose if they don't. They're just barely hanging on. They've got 3 buildings. Oh, they occupy this building and this building. Germans are easily going to get that building, easily going to get this building. They should be able to get this building. All right, movement. Okay, so this guy's going to charge to the nearest known enemy unit, which is going to be this guy. Go there for 1, 2, 3, 4. Come in there for close combat. I don't have any other movement. Defensive fire. Nothing over there. This guy will do 6 up 2 adjacent from here to here. Okay. He's finaled. These guys are going to fire adjacent. So let's see. 2 for the hero. Well, let me just add it up and then double it. 1, 2, 5, 7, 14, 12 up 2. 9 on a 12 is a normal. Leader. Passes, squad, passes. Okay, these guys here, can they see them? No. They'll do a 6 up 3 against this guy. 8 on a 6 is a PTC. Passes. It's not worth it. Not worth it. Okay. Advancing fire. No, oh, advancing fire down here. So these guys will do a triple 12 flat. Right? I think the berserkers can fire. I'm assuming they can. 12 flat, 7 on a 12 is a 1 check. Okay, so they're wait a minute. They're dead. Yeah. Getting close to the CVP. Okay, routes. Do we have any routes? No. Advance phase. Okay. Oh, so then these guys are no longer berserk. How do you get rid of the berserk counter? Oh, just like that. Okay, they're going to advance there. No close combat. Okay. No concealment gain. And so that's the end of turn 6. I've got half a turn for 7, and I'll do that in a second. Thanks for watching.